PicassoTiles 152-piece STEM building set. This was sent to us to review. Thank you, PicassoTiles.
The kit includes colorful pieces, a child-safe power drill, a ratchet, and an easy-to-follow design book. It all stores neatly in this sturdy carry box, making cleanup a breeze. The drill is powered by 2 AA batteries and works just like a real tool. My 5-year-old had no trouble using it on his own.
We're going to build a T-Rex. Okay, oh my, I can't.
We followed the step-by-step guide together, great for teamwork and learning how to follow instructions while having fun. It's not just a toy, it's a full sensory and engineering experience. This kept him engaged for over an hour, and he can't wait to build something new tomorrow. If your little one loves building, this PicassoTile set is a total win.